Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what I've picked up in the last week or so. As you can see, I've picked up quite a lot of Yeezys, an extremely big purchase down here, and then some restocks of some Dunks. So I'll just be showing you what I copped. Let me know down below in the comments what you've picked up, and out of all these, which one would you be keeping? So let's start with the big purchase. So I've been on the waiting list for this for pretty much a year now, and I finally got the chance to purchase it. So you can probably guess what it is. I think I showed it on my TikTok already. But this is a Rolex. The one I went for was a 41mm white gold Jubilee bracelet with a white face and a Roman dial. So here is the box, and then here is the watch itself. So I'll give you a close-up of this, you can see it. It's probably my favorite one that I've seen, and I really like the size and how it looks on wrist. I do actually have a fake one of these as well, so I will be doing a comparison of this, so stay tuned for that video. So we're going to start on the right hand side. This is, I think it's the most recent one that arrived. It arrived, I think, yesterday, and I put them straight on feet because I absolutely love this pair. So this is the Yeezy 350 V2 Compact, and oh my god, the comfort levels on this is unbelievable. So this is them here. They have a black upper prime knit with copper and grey tones underneath, but they are so comfy. In terms of appearance, they're alright, they could be better, but the comfort level is what does it for me. They are so comfortable to wear and are going to be a daily shoe for me now. So we're going to go to the left hand side. Got these from the confirmed app, it's Yeezy 350 V2. They had a few restocks recently, so I managed to pick these up. Got these in a small size, and to be honest, I don't mind them in a small size. I think the material is a little bit weird, but it is a little bit different to what you normally see on a Yeezy 350 V2. So I do understand where they were coming from. They decided to do something a little bit different, and I think this would be quite a good shoe for summer. So yeah, quite a nice 350 V2, but I won't be keeping these. I will be selling these at some point. So we'll stick to the Yeezy 350 V2 theme, and this one here was another one from confirmed app. Got lucky with the restocks, and again, it's a mixed rock colorway. And I got this in a small size as well. I think this will go up in price eventually just because it is a black Yeezy and they seem to always rise in price. But if not, I'm happy just to sell it for the price that I got it. It's not something I'll be keeping as I already have this in my own size, but just one I think there'll be a slight investment on in the future. The last Yeezy 350 V2 that I picked up was once again from the restock, and pretty much the same reason as the last one. It's a black Yeezy, you cannot go wrong with that. But this one again, like the first one, is a weird material. It's quite stiff, and in my opinion, it's not as good as the actual prime knit upper, but it's a full black Yeezy, so I expect it to go up in price eventually. So I'll be holding these for a little bit. I think this is a 9.5, so it is actually my size. So I might try it on and see how it feels, but there are better Yeezys out there in my opinion. Let me know out of the Yeezys that I picked up, which is your favorite, and now we'll move on to the Dunks that I picked up this week. So just before I move on to the Dunks, I actually managed to pick this up as well. It was at my local store, and yeah, well, I thought it was a cool collectible to have. Might open it, might eat them, but I don't actually like peanut butter, so I don't really think I'm gonna like these. But yeah, it was like £5 for a box of cereal, which is ridiculous. But I saw on StockX it's going for like £17, which is even crazier. But it's a cool little display item. I like the coolest figure on the back, so I thought I'd pick it up. It was the last one left in the store, so it was actually quite in high demand. Don't know if it's because of the cereal or the box itself. But now we'll move on to the Dunks. So this is the one I picked up, got it from JD. I think they had 2 left, and I got a size 7. They had a size 8 as well. Decided to go for the size 7. It's the maroon one. It's okay. Nothing special about it. I think it's going for a little over retail, so just decided to pick it up. I will sell these at some point, but decided to do a video. Might have a comparison on this just because Dunks are incredibly popular. I know how popular the Panda Dunk is. You see it on pretty much everyone's feet right now. But this is the maroon one. Had it before, and it's quite nice, but not as good as the one I'm about to show you. So this is the final pickup of the week. If we open it up, it is the coconut dunk. Got these in a size 10. I'm pretty gutted because I actually really like this color in person. It's a great shoe for summer, and if it was my size, I would totally be wearing this because this color is absolutely amazing. This was the last one left in JD. They seem to get restocks all the time, but I managed to get lucky and walk in at the time that this was on display, so I managed to pick it up. Actually, I got everything that I've unboxed today for retail, so I can't really complain. Probably will be letting these go. Well, I will be letting these go because these are a size 10 and I wear a size 9. So these will be going for sale, but just thought I'd show you them. Really nice color, and this in my opinion is a better dunk than the maroon one. So the final purchase that I got this week is a mystery box, which will be in a video very soon. So I actually swapped my shattered backboards, my beloved Jordan 1s, and a pair of Onyx slides for this mystery box. So I really hope it's worth it. I haven't unboxed it, haven't looked inside it. I'm super excited to unbox it, and hopefully it was worth it. So that video will be coming very soon. But thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day.